A busy morning at home. Anna's alarm went off at 6:30 a.m., and she knew she had to get up right away. No time to lie in today, she thought. She quickly threw on her clothes and went to the kitchen to whip up some breakfast. While her toast was cooking, Anna decided to clear out her fridge. I need to get rid of these expired items, she muttered, tossing out old jars and spoiled food. After breakfast, Anna remembered she had to drop off a package at the post office. I'll set off in about 30 minutes, she thought. Before leaving, she quickly ran through her shopping list to make sure she wouldn't forget anything. As Anna was about to leave, her friend Maria called to check up on her. I wanted to find out if you're free for lunch later, Maria said.
Sure,
Anna replied, I'll call back when I'm done with my errands. On her way out, Anna realized she had forgotten to lock up the front door. She rushed back and secured it properly before heading off to town. Later that afternoon, Anna met Maria for lunch. They enjoyed chatting and decided to catch up over coffee. It's great to hang out like this, Maria said with a smile. Key phrasal verbs and their meanings. Now repeat after me. Get up. Rise from bed. Lie in. Stay in bed longer than usual. Throw on. Quickly put on clothes. Whip up. Prepare food quickly. Clear out. Remove unwanted items. Get rid of, eliminate or dispose of something. Drop off. Deliver something or someone. Set off. Begin a journey. Run through. Review something quickly. Check up on. Contact someone to see if they are okay. Find out. Discover information. Call back. Return a phone call. Lock up. Secure a building by locking doors and windows. Catch up. Talk with someone to learn what's new. Hang out. Spend time with friends or relax. Want to learn English but don't know where to start? Join our English learning community. We explain difficult topics in simple terms. Practice speaking English without fear of mistakes. Support, motivation, and communication with like-minded people. Start speaking English today. Subscribe and learn with us.